Students, listen, basic inequalities. If I am going to first point, A greater than B and B greater than C, then we can write A greater than C or not. If you want example, see here, 3 greater than 2 and 2 is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, then we can write 3 is greater than 1 or not. Are you understood, students? Now, second point. If A greater than B, that implies A plus C greater than B plus C. Here, for all C belongs to R. C take any real number, no problem. If A greater than B, that implies AC greater than BC, or A divided by C greater than B divided by C. In this case, C is always greater than 0. C is always greater than 0. If A greater than B, that implies AC is less than BC, or A by C is less than B by C. When it is exist means if C less than 0, where C belongs to a real number. Here also C belongs to real number. If you want example, I will explain. For suppose 5 greater than 1, if you are multiplied with 2, 5 into 2 is greater than 1 into 2, or 5 divided with 2 is greater than 1 by 2. These are true or not? Where 2 is always greater than 0, positive values. If you are taken negative, it's going to change. It's going to change the symbol like this. Greater than is going to change less than. Now I am going to third one. Third one. A greater than B greater than 0. Then 1 by A is less than 1 by B. For suppose take one example here. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Then what about 1 by 9? 1 by 5. So 1 by 9 is small comparatively 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Or go to another example. 3 is greater than 2. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Because 1 by 3 means 0.333 is less than 1 by 2 means 0.5. Yes or no? If you are taken small numbers, then you will understand. Positive real numbers such that first point, if m greater than n, then if a greater than 1, you will get a power m is greater than a power n. If m less than n, then you will get a power m is less than a power n. Now If a value is lies between 0 to 1, m comma n are positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. Such that here observe that the a value is lies between 0 to 1. Then if m greater than n, then you will get a power m is less than a power m. If a greater than 1, there is no change. There is no change. Okay. If a value is lies between 0 to 1, if it is there m greater than n, that implies a power m is less than a power n. Second point. If m less than n, then what we get? Symbol is opposite. A power m is greater than a power n. So exponential functions, by observing the base, then we can decide that greater than, less than is going to change or not. Okay, students, are you understood? If a greater than 1, then x greater than y. Apply logarithm, you will get same symbol. If a value is lies between 0 to 1, then if x greater than y is there, now you will get apply logarithm on both sides. Greater than is going to change less than. If it is there x less than y, then you will get log x to the base a, opposite symbol, greater than log y to the base a. Okay, here if x less than y is there, then what you will get here? That is logarithm of x to the base a less than log y to the base a. Here observe that if a greater than 1, the symbol will come same. If a value lies between 0 to 1, the symbol is going to change opposite.